Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how to import deformed part as orphan mesh from ODB result. First, for example, let's go to open our ODB result. For example, we need to let's go to visualization. First, we have this result and we need to import this deformed shape of liner as part. We need to import the deformed shape in the last frame. For example, this shape of our this deformed shape in our model and use it. Now first let's go to part and let's import model or import file, import part from ODB. You need to select ODB output database. Select import from output database, select the type of file and select which ODB you need to get the part. For example, this ODB file, we need to get the part from it. Click OK. It's take a time. We have two parts in our model. First is liner and part 3. We need to import deformed liner and you need to select which frame you need to import. We need to import from the last frame or you can use another frame or increment. Select which one you need. Select instance, click and also select which step you need to get the deformed shape. Click OK. Now we have the deformed shape of our part as orphan mesh liner.